Adverbs of place. Adverbs of place describe where something happens. Adverbs of place describe only verbs. Adverbs of place add extra details about location, direction, distance, movement, example.
My family eats indoors.
Indoors is an adverb of place. It describes the verb eats. The adverb indoors adds extra details about location.
Here and there.
Here and there are common adverbs of place. They give a location or a direction relative to the speaker. The adverb here means the location with the speaker. Here also means the direction to the speaker. The adverb there means the location not with the speaker. There also means the direction away from the speaker. So, here means the location with the speaker. And there means the location not with the speaker. Also, here means the direction to the speaker. And there means the direction away from the speaker.
Examples. The dog is here. The cat is there.
The dog is in the location with the speaker.
The dog is here.
The cat is in the location not with the speaker.
The cat is there. The cat goes here. The dog runs there.
The cat goes in the direction to the speaker.
The cat goes here.
The dog runs in the direction away from the speaker.
The dog runs there.
Here or there. Here or there. The cook is in the location with the speaker.
The cook is here.
Santa is in the location not with the speaker.
Santa is there.
here, or there? The ship sails in the direction to the speaker.
The ship sails here.
The plane flies in the direction away from the speaker.
The plane flies there.
Adverbs of place describe where something happens. Adverbs of place add extra details about location, direction, distance, movement. The adverbs here and there give a location or a direction relative to the speaker.
Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.